Sarah Stewart. I'm just really excited to see the culture, different historical sites, and be back in the motherland. I'm really excited to learn a little bit of the language and just see what Ghana is all about.
How you doing? My name is Dr. Brown. I'm here with African Roots Travel in Uniondale High School. We're so excited to come back home to the motherland. The sun is beautiful, the people are beautiful. Akwaaba, all of that good stuff. We're so excited to be here. Thank you so much, African Roots Travel. Uniondale is in Africa.
My name is Christopher Green. I'm with Uniondale High School attending on the Ghana trip. I'm very excited to be here. I expect to see a bunch of things, great things.
Just to the beat.
My name is Shari Hufstead Green. I am the mother of Sanaya and Christopher Green, two Uniondale High School students. I'm also an alumni. I think this is a great opportunity to come to the motherland. I'm so excited for me and them to build memories together and just to learn about our culture.
I take it 3 points. She think I say a fool, I take it 3 points. Imagine the 3 points. 3 points. Yeah, 3 points. She think I say a fool, I take it 3 points. Imagine the 3 points. I go. 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 I do a man sad the old Elia. The shit in your finger when a full barrier. She be too hot, bugger. Oh, yeah, papa, yo, she got no fail. Who got? But they got